Paypenny, safe or not? Honest review. In this video, I'll give you my honest review of Paypenny and see whether it's safe or it's a scam. So to get started, Paypenny is a remittance app that lets you send money internationally with low fees. The app is easy to use and transfers are usually processed quickly. I was able to send a small test amount without any issues. But here's the problem. Some users report delays or account verifications taking longer than expected, and their customer support isn't the most responsive. So, while it works most of the time, there's some risk involved. It's good for casual transfers, but maybe not for emergencies. If you're sending small amounts and double check all the details, it can work fine. Just be cautious with larger transactions or urgent needs. And that is my honest review of Paypenny.